What's good, everybody? Welcome to Life on Beagle Road. Courtney's still in San Francisco, but it's all good because I'm holding things down. Yeah, it's all good. Bridget and I decided that we needed to go to the park today. Yeah, we had some free time before our swim lessons, so why not check out this park? So much fun. Check it out with us. People are always asking us how we get it all done. You know, how do we homestead, do fun stuff with our family, and you know, work full time. You just gotta make time whenever you can. You get 20 minutes here, squeeze something in. Don't let your family suffer, you know? Like, find the time. This little rugrat here, she's gonna be 18 before I know it. So I take every moment I can to make the world just a little bit more magical, you know? You having fun, B? Yeah, we gotta get them slippers back on your feet. Yes, my daughter's here in slippers. See, we weren't planning on going to the park. We were just gonna go to swim lessons, and the slippers are a whole lot easier to get on and off at swim lessons. So, shh, bad parenting moment. Sorry, Courtney. Oh, now don't walk around in your socks, dude. Come on. Sit back up there. I'll put those on, okay? Sit back up there. You Spump. Come here. Come here. I know. I know. Let's get those back on you. Yep. That's the wrong foot. Daddy. You did, baby girl.
I did it!
You did. How was that?
Hi, everybody! I'm climbing!
Alright, dude. Time to go. Let's go. Swim lessons. Get your butt back here. Where are you going? She's very excited about the swim lessons. Very excited. Bridget. Bridgie. Come on, we're gonna be late. Yep, we're going that way. We just finished the swim lessons, so now it's time to dry some hair. And if you've never had to do this before, this is the quickest and easiest way to do it. You getting dry? Yes, folks, I am Father of the Year. How were your swim lessons?
Good.
Yeah, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Now what are you gonna do?
Go backwards, up the stairs.
Cool.
And grab a piece of candy.
Let's do it.
Come on!
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I did enjoy making it, because who doesn't love spending time with their daughter? And if you want to stick around, check out the videos below. And if you haven't checked out our t-shirts, then check them out. I don't know if they're here. Maybe they're over there. And just as a heads up, we've got about 10 more days until we go in front of the hearing board again and know the fate of our homesteads. So we really appreciate everybody who's been supporting us along the way. Stay tuned, because we will have plenty of updates as we go. And yeah, have a great day, folks.